last left you in Philly, where we took the Pat and Gino Steak Challenge. Check it out if you missed it. It's a good one. We're continuing north into New Jersey to meet up with our good friend Angelo and have some amazing food.
Your best friend without the shoot on.
Yeah, it's not the
You may have
prettiest
heard
thing it is. I like keeping the foot on, so it makes it even harder to be able to seal it up. I just tied it, so.
Why do you tie it?
Because I had to take the bone out. So I got to put it back together, basically.
You're pulling the bone out from the leg portion?
Yeah, just the femur, and then the shank is all there, because this is, until you get to that end, it's all pretty much fat.
So pretty.
Come on, baby. There you go. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
This was 2-year aged, actually. This one.
Beautiful.
Figure what better time than now to cut it. But I wish I tied it.
Thanks, buddy. We appreciate that.
Bring out the big gun.
Right.
So this is 2-year aged. Just drilled with salt.
I enjoy the light on the slicer.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
It's very romantic.
It really is. That's for me.
How is it?
Excellent.
Spaghetti squash from the garden with vodka sauce and ricotta and lots of parmigiano.
Oh yeah.
It's a little smoky from the fire.
Yeah.
Anybody recognize these guys?
So sticky.
Right on the chin. I appreciate that.
Oh, you got it?
Oh, you got splashed?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's hot. Some distance. Some distance.
I figured you would appreciate that.
did.
That setup.
Of course. This is so annoying. Come on, don't be shy.
Can I have them in my beard?
It's for dessert later.
The funniest thing is that you're like using a knife as a spoon right now.
I know. Well, I want to scrape as much as I can. I didn't think I would need to be so. Go. Come on, get out. But figure. But also, there's people that cook it different ways, and we were taught by the consortio that they do it like basically like 450, 500. But I like high temperature. Looks good. It's steamy. Yeah, little burst action. It's all right, little burst, but it's okay. Ooh, shouldn't have done that. I picked the top of it. It's an experiment. The pizza, quote unquote. But it smells good.
It looks good. Oh, you brought out the meat.
No, that's actually vegetable.
Is it?
Yeah. There you go. Juicy. Well, it's never going to be stringy, unfortunately, because it doesn't have the structure.
Maybe between those two you might get something?
Get the drip at least. So my name is Angelo, and you can find me on mostly on Instagram these days at mind_machine, and traveling around and making pizza and cooking all over whoever will have me, basically.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks for having us, brother. We appreciate it. Everything you saw here was absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
You gotta make great friends because, well, they make you the good food.
Where we're going. We're gonna go see Lady Liberty.
Lady Liberty. Lady Liberty. So where are we?
We are at the Statue of Liberty Museum right now, and we're about to go inside.
Just pause for a second though. If you don't come over for any other reason, come over for that.
But more importantly, come over for that.
Well, that too. All very
Very
impressive.
exciting. All right, we're gonna go to the museum.
Let's go to the museum.
I could touch it. I feel so good to be able to touch things.
right, so what do you think about the Statue of Liberty?
I've been waiting to come here forever and ever and ever, and it totally hit the spot. I think the museum was by far the coolest, and we were supposed to have done the pedestal monument tour, but we just got here a little bit too late for it.
Ends at what time?
I believe at 4 o'clock is the time that the last, they start closing everything at 4 o'clock. So unfortunately we arrived at 4. We just made it to the bookstore for me to get my stamp for my passport, because this is part of the National Park Service. But the pedestal will take you up to this section here. Right now they have the crown portion closed, but you can go all the way up to the crown and look out of it when those tours are back and available. And I'm assuming they probably won't be available again until 2023. I'm not really sure. They didn't put any information on either the NPS pages or the Statue of Liberty pages. So to be determined if you want to go up to the crown.
But it's a fun little ride. You get to cruise over, you get an awesome view of the city, and right now with COVID, there's not a lot of people over here, so
Yeah.
that's always awesome.
There was a long line getting on. There's a long line getting back. You can purchase the combo package, which takes you both to Liberty Island and also Ellis Island. Again, we got here too late, so we're not able to fulfill the Ellis Island portion either. We'll save that for another trip.
Indeed.
And maybe we'll come back and do the crown tour, because that would be really cool.
The crown tour would be
Yeah.
cool. I'd probably poop my pants a little bit.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to leave you here, and we're going to go hit up the city and get some grub.
Guys, thanks so much for coming out, watching us get up to this point in New York.
Yeah, we've had a lot of fun. We've done a couple little touristy things that we've not done here before, so I've enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. Make sure you check us out next week.
Yep.
We're gonna head up towards Maine.
So thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini trip at this point.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah,
And share with a friend.
absolutely.
Appreciate it,
See you
guys.
later.
See you on the next one.